Okay, so now you've seen my rescues. Sorry, I can cough. I'm so sick actually. What I want to do is I want to get a big bonsai pot, right? I want a big bonsai pot because if it's a big bonsai pot, it actually saves space because instead of having lots of little pots, it makes it more interesting to have one big bonsai pot. I can move that thing and put it outside, inside. So what I want to do is, this is the bonsai pot. I'm going to get a rectangular one. What I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to put that in one corner, right? I'm going to call this the globulus cactus with a flower, right? And then, sorry, I'm not sure if you can see that, there. So that's in one corner. And then you have the mountain range, right? So that's the mountain range. And then maybe on the bottom here, we have the fields, okay? So we have the fields here. Now these are all been hardened in a greenhouse outside and pretty neglected. So they're gonna survive whatever the fuck I give them, as long as I give them some water and food and soil. So I'm thinking of putting that there, planting that like trees, right? Like forest, mountain, or maybe I'm thinking here. What do you think? Actually, you know what? I think it'll be quite good to have the mountains here and then the trees. And then I might get a few rocks and place it around there. And then on the bottom here, I might put this and this kind of close-ish to each other, okay, like that. Now these are assuming these will be slow-growing motherfuckers, right? So, you know, I'm not really going to get too fussed on interspecies. I actually quite like dual, triple, quadruple species type situations. I think they're quite interesting, so I don't mind it. And then yeah, and then I'm thinking maybe on this end here, I can put something else. I don't know. What do I have here? I don't want to put something too big and stupid. Actually, this can kind of be cool. This camel toe plant. This camel toe plant could be quite cool on this end here. Yeah. So this can spread this way, you know, and then this could be this way, and this can be in the far corner here, maybe facing that way, and it grows that way. Who knows, eh? Yeah, I reckon that's my, I mean, it's obviously going to be a smaller pot, so they're going to be more condensed, but that's the gist of it. And it'll take a long time for them to grow that out because these plants aren't exactly going to be growing like a tropical vine. So this is I'm going to call this Saharaland. Saharaland. Yeah. Yeah, this is my plan.